Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the last video on the little Zetec replica Fiesta. I've been off for the last couple of days. I've had savage toothache. I've had my tooth removed now. I've been plodding along, all the little Fiestas back together and cleaned up. I weren't going to make a video, there ain't really a lot I can show you other than give you a walk around of the car. The Fiesta's done, I've took my photos, it's sort of ready for eBay. I was going to change the rear valance to the correct one on the bottom of the bumper. It's off the earlier model, but I'm not bothering. It's going to go on how it is. I've done far too much on the car. I didn't really intend on doing what I did do. So yeah, it's cleaned up really well. Quite surprised, to be honest. I've gone around, touched up all the little curb marks on the alloys and things like that, just sort of generally give it a tidy up and make it look alright, do you know what I mean? But yeah, let me give you a walk around. There she is. It's actually cleaned up really well. It's going to make someone a great little first car, this, because it's the little 1.2 engine. It's the best one. Them EcoBoost engines are no good. They blow up all the time, so this has got the looks. And the little 1.2 engine, it's got the right engine. It's done 38,000 miles from new. Probably round a field, through trees and cross hedges and stuff, but it has done 38,000. And all the mileage stacks up. I didn't even bother flat and polishing this. That's still gun finish. It's not worth it. The rest of the car has cleaned up good enough, and this still looks better. I've got nothing to hide. I'm going to obviously tell them it's a category S insurance repaired car, so that side of it don't bother me. And out here you can't hardly see anything. Said little clean up inside, no shampooing or nothing, but just, you know, a hoover out and a tidy up. The engine's absolutely sweet on this. You would expect it to be. Look at that mileage. Not oh, I got it wrong, it's 39,000. Yeah, absolutely pucker little thing for somebody. They want the looks, but can still insure it. What a great little car. That's going to go on eBay tonight. Let someone have that. I forgot to send the logbook off for this, so I'm going to sell it without the logbook. Normally I send the logbooks off straight away, but I forgot to do it with this one. Don't know why. Yeah, that looks, well, pretty much same sort of spec as my little van. That's a proper sport van, and that's sort of all the bits that come with it. They're all pretty much the same as Zetec. Yeah, it's got all the right bits in the right places, as they say. But yeah, I know a lot of you moan and you always ask me to do final sort of updates. That's the little Zetec replica, all done and dusted with. The Mini is not mine, by the way. I know if I don't mention it, everyone's going to comment. Yeah, Dave bought this. He's chucking this one up for sale. 1982, I believe. I think it's actually fairly solid, but it's got very questionable paintwork and filler bubbles and stuff around it, but the underneath seems solid. It runs everywhere and the paint job's just awful. More runs down there. Yeah, nice little Mini. Some funky ass filler work going on around there and some kind of random key, which none of us know what's what. I was tempted to buy that and do it, but I know full well I'll end up opening a can of worms with that one. That won't be no quick blow over and earn some money out of it. He bought that relatively cheap. I think that, well, they make thousands now. That should make probably well over £2 grand. Yeah, that all runs, drives, the MOT's just expired. I think he's getting it ready for MOT. He's had it on a ramp, it seems solid underneath. I think he had to bleed the clutch because they've changed, I can't remember what they're called, slave cylinder or master, one of the two. But they've changed that. He was just bleeding the clutch up, and don't know what else he's doing. Oh, getting bulbs and lights working and stuff like that. But yeah, nice little thing, it'll do. He'll earn a couple of quid on that one. Had a go at re-gluing the cosy roof lining. I got my neighbour across the road to do it. He does sort of upholstery sort of stuff, but because all of there's like a lot of backing on it, that was knackered. He said that it might not take in some places, so we've got a little bit in the corner there. It's come down, and just a couple of little bits that seem a little bit loose, but for the most part, most of it's all took and stuck back together. I had this done last week, and he said like leave it to dry properly before you clean it. So I don't know what to, yeah, I'm not sure. It'd be a shame that it's done that, but I don't know what else to do with it, to be honest. I might clean it up and see what it looks like. It is better than it was, but I still can't find a clean one. I might have to buy that roof lining material if not, but I'm not sure it's the correct colour. But for the moment, this is the only thing that's holding me back with a cosy, so I really want to get that done, get that sorted out, and yeah, get the cosy sold. Really, that's what we've got to do. So yeah, the roof lining, I might clean it up today, see if it cleans up, if it pulls any more off or what have you, see if I can get away with it or not. I did want to kind of keep it because it was original, but it is looking like I might have to redo it with the other stuff, but we'll see. Not too sure yet, but yeah, I'll get that cleaned up and see what it comes up like. That's all we can do. That's it, all done and locked away. All my photos I took, went down the lane, got them sorted. I've had a little look on eBay. If that was HPI clear, it's about £5 grand, and that's not even at that mileage, to be honest. It's probably more than £5 grand with 39,000 miles. So I think that's worth £3.5 grand of anyone's money on a 13 plate with that mileage. So yeah, that's what we're going to go for. I'm going to get that up on eBay. Dave's just washed his little Mini. That's count on eBay and all. Yeah, we've just been sorting stuff out today, getting things done and ready. But yeah, I'm quite happy with how that come out. I think it's going to be a nice little car for someone, that. I'm chuffed, especially with the rear quarter. Never done one of them before, so I'm over the moon with that. Very long-winded. I'm going to get that on today, and I'm going to pop up tomorrow. My Mark II Escort broke down. I think it's called an EDIS unit, or EDIS, I'm sure it's EDIS, an EDIS 4 unit. Basically it's a little unit that controls the spark on my Escort. You can't buy them new. That's it, EDIS 4. So this little module, that's what controls the spark, and mine's playing up. It broke down on me. When did I take it out? A couple of weeks ago, I think. Yeah, and it broke down. We unplugged the EDIS unit and plugged it back in. It started up, and I managed to get it back here. So I ordered one of them. It's been sat there for ages, and I haven't had a lot of time to do anything. So I'm going to dig my Mark II Escort out probably tomorrow, change that, And if the weather's nice, I'm going out for a little play. Excuse me. Yeah, I need to need to go and enjoy my car. I ain't had a lot of time to do things, and it's Easter weekend as well, so on Sunday and Monday I'm probably going to have some time off, have some family time, and yeah, same as everyone else really. I ain't really got much else to show you or tell you. Just thought I'd do, because you all moan and I always forget to do the final finale, so this is going to get uploaded as Fiesta finished bit of a waffle, and that's about it really. So yeah, I might do a little video of fixing my Escort, and I might see if we can mount a GoPro in it if I take it out, and yeah, get some footage of that. Might be interesting to some of you. I know loads of you love my Escort. I love my Escort, but yeah, we'll do that. We'll film a bit, sort of it out. But yeah, all done today. I'm happy. I'm organising, getting things up for sale, and get some money back in the pot, shall we? But that's it from me today. As always, massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.